How to use SD card as internal storage on Android. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to use SD card as internal storage on Android. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, go on to the Files application, as you can see right here. Then here on the bottom you can see an option named SD card. Simply click onto it. Then here on the top right corner you can see 3 dots. Simply click onto it. Now here simply click on storage settings. Now here you can see an option named format as internal. Simply click onto it, and then one thing that you want to make sure is that all of your data on your memory card or your SD card will be deleted. None of them will be accessible anymore. All of them will be deleted. So simply click on format as internal. I suggest retracting all of those data onto another safe folder or another safe SD card before you format it. Then simply click on format as internal. Then here simply click on format SD card. Then your SD card will be set on default as your internal storage on Android. So in this very simple way, you could use SD card as internal storage on Android. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.